Chris. Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yes. Let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive. Laura, what are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Okay.
Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Hello, Richard.
Hi, Karen.
How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
That's good. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada with our kids.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
I hope you feel better.
Thanks.
Robert, this is my friend, Mrs. Smith.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mrs. Smith, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English
Where?
at a high school in New Jersey.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 32. Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes. Can I see that T-shirt on the top shelf, please?
Sure. Here it is.
How much does it cost?
$50.
$50? That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay, or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of these shirts?
Yes.
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more. A red one and a white one. Excuse me. I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure. It's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About a mile and a half.
How long does it take to get there?
5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot. Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the mall?
Sure, I used to work there. Go straight for about a mile, then turn left at the light. The mall will be on your right.
Do you know the address?
Yes, the address is 541 Main Street.
Can you write it down for me, please?
No problem.
Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue?
No, that way is longer. There are more stoplights on that street.
I think you're right. Thank you. What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
All right. Have a nice trip.
Joseph, who is that woman?
That's Susan.
What does she do for work?
She's a lawyer.
Is she American?
No, but she speaks English fluently.
She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. We're friends.
Who's that man standing next to her?
Which man?
That short guy on her right. What's his name?
Oh, that's Matt.
He's really good looking.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Is he married?
Yes, he's married.
I remember now. I met him before. Brian, do you know how to speak English?
Yes,
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the U.S.?
3 weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there once on a business trip.